Good afternoon, student. Am I audible to all?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So we are waiting for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start our class. Last class, what was going on? Compound angle was there, na? In last class, we have discussed about the compound angle. Some problems were given to you.
Good evening, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So we shall wait for just 1 minute to join others. After that, we will start our class. So today we are going to taught that multiple angle and submultiple angle of trigonometric ratios. Okay, so people are joining. We should start our classes.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, in previous class, sir, आप ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो का सर 5-6 सवाल अपने से बना के बताए थे सर.
हाँ ठीक है. तो today we are going to taught that multiple and submultiple angle of trigonometric ratios, right?
Yes, sir. सर बोल रहे थे सर आप जो पढ़ाइएगा सर इसका जो वीडियो होता है उसका लिंक सर ग्रुप में दे दीजिएगा सर. पिछला बार आप
हाँ दे देंगे. एक्चुअली कल छुट्टी है ना, कल हम बैठ के सब यूट्यूब में अपलोड करेंगे, उसके बाद कल दे देंगे. हाँ
यस सर, थैंक यू सर.
कल क्लास नहीं होगा किसी का, कल तो छुट्टी है
यस
ना
सर, कल ईद का छुट्टी है सर.
Okay, thank you. So we shall start our class. Multiple and submultiple angle. Number 1, that is sine of two theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Number 2, cos of 2 theta, that is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Now it can be written in another way. Cos square theta can be written that 1 minus sine square theta, then minus sine square theta. So it can be written down as 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Otherwise, it can be write down that cos square theta remaining unchanged minus sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Then it will be coming that cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta. So from here we can write down that 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2 theta can be written either cos square theta minus sin square theta or 1 minus 2 sin square theta or 2 cos square theta minus 1. Number 3, tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. These are the basic trigonometrical ratio. And now sine 2 theta can be written in the part of sine 2 theta can be written as part of tan theta, that is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And number 5, cos theta can be written in the part of tan theta also. So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Right. So these are our multiple angle, means here the theta is multiplied by 2. So we can say that it is the multiple of theta. So it is known as the multiple angle of trigonometric ratio. Now we have to prove this. Sine 2 theta is given to sine theta cos theta. How to prove this? So we are going for the next slide to prove this. we have to prove that sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Proof. We know that sine of a plus b, that is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, right? This is the formula for sine of a plus b. Already we know from the compound angle, sine of a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Now putting a equal to theta and b equal to theta in the above equation, we get above equation we are putting a equal to theta, b equal to theta. So from here it will be coming that sine of a means theta plus b means theta is equal to sine a means theta cos b means theta plus cos a means theta sine b means theta, or from here sine of 2 theta is equal to here sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta, that is 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. Good. Is it understood by everybody?
Yes, sir.
आया ना समझ में? We just putting we are using the compound angle of sine of a plus b. Instead of a we are putting theta, instead of b we are putting theta, then we get the result sine of 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. So that's the formula for sine 2 theta. Now we are going to prove the next part, that is the cos of 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Proof. Here also we know that cos of a plus b. What is the value of cos of a plus b? Someone please tell me.
Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B.
Okay, thank you. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Again, putting a equal to theta and b equal to theta in above equation, we get cos of a means theta plus b means theta is equal to cos of a means theta into cos of b means theta minus sin of a means theta sin of b means theta. So that's why it is coming cos of 2 theta is equal to cos theta into cos theta means cos square theta minus sin theta into sin theta means sin square theta. That's our proof. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are going to prove that tan of 2 theta. Now next proof is tan of 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. We have to prove this. Proof. We know that tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan A, tan B. Now putting A equal to theta and B equal to theta in above equation, we get tan of A means theta plus B means theta is equal to tan of A means theta plus B means theta by 1 minus tan of A means theta into tan of B means theta. That is tan theta plus tan theta. That is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta means tan square theta. Proved. So all those multiple angle is coming. It is a special character of our compound angle. If we put A equal to B or A equal to B equal to theta, then we got the multiple angle. So multiple angle, there is no other formulas. We just convert the compound angle formula into multiple angle, taking both of the angle are equal. Now another thing was given that sine of 2 theta in part of tan theta, na? Sine
Yes.
of 2 theta was 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It was given. Now proof. How to prove this? Sine 2 theta equal to, we know that sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Now it can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta by 1. Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it can be write as 2 sine theta cos theta. This 1 can be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta, or cos square theta plus sine square theta. Can you write this? Instead of
sir.
1, we are write down this. Now dividing numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Then numerator will be 2 sine theta cos theta by cos square theta. And denominator should be cos square theta plus sine square theta whole thing by cos square theta. Can you write this? After that, dividing the numerator and both numerator and denominator by cos square theta, right?
Yes, sir.
So after that, here 1 cos theta cut, it will be given that 2 into sine theta by cos theta. That is the numerator. And for denominator, cos square theta by cos theta, that is 1. Another part will be coming sine square theta by cos square theta. So from here, you can write down that sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta by cos theta means tan
Tan
theta
theta.
by 1 plus here sine square theta by cos square theta means
Tan square theta.
tan square theta. That's true. Is it clear? आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
How we have
Yes,
to?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next part was one cos of 2 theta was 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It was the value of this. So we are going to prove that. We know that cos of 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. right? It can be written as
Yes, sir.
cos square theta minus sin square theta whole thing by 1. Now this 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then it is cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now taken in common cos square theta from the upper half, numerator. Then it will be given that 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta. And in denominator, if we take the common cos square theta, then it will be given 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. This cos square theta cut. So 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta means
Tan square theta.
by 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta means tan square theta. So cos of 2 theta is equal to this. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait for just 1 minute. It was the formula for multiple angle. Now we are going to find the formula for submultiple angles. Sin theta can be written as sin 2 into theta by 2. Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let theta by 2 is equal to phi. Then it will be given that sin 2 phi, isn't it? ये आएगा तो result.
Yes, sir.
Sin 2 theta का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 sin theta cos theta ना?
Yes, sir.
Now putting the value of phi, we got it 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 as phi equal to theta by 2. So this is called the submultiple angle. Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. By the same way, in case of cos 2 theta, actually sin 2 theta formula is coming into the fraction of theta. That is why it is called the submultiple angle. Submultiple is half here, right? By the same way, we can write down that cos theta is equal to cos of 2 into theta by 2. Let this is also phi is equal to cos 2 phi is equal to cos square phi minus sin square phi. Now put the value of phi, that is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So this is the formula for cos theta. Cos theta can be written cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. By the same way, we can write down the value of tan theta. So here it is from multiple angle to submultiple angle. We are divided by this. So if we take the tan to theta, that is tan theta, that is also written as tan of 2 into theta by 2. Then it is tan of 2 phi. In each of the cases, we are taking theta by 2 equal to phi, this one, right? So it is tan 2 phi. Tan 2 theta formula is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Here theta means phi. Now putting the value of phi, that is 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So this is the formula for tan theta. These are called the submultiple angles. Now for the cos theta, we know that another value of the cos theta, cos square 2 theta. So another value of the cos square 2 theta is given as cos 2 theta. For the cos 2 theta, there are 4 formulas. Number 1, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Again, cos 2 theta can be written 2 cos square theta minus 1. Again, cos 2 theta can be written 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Again, this cos 2 theta can be written 1 minus 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So for cos theta, from here, it was only given, that is cos square theta by 2, sin square theta by 2. From here, we can write down that cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. From here, we can write down that cos theta can be written 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. And from the last part, cos theta can be written as 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Clear? These are the formulas for submultiple angles. Now we are taking some examples so that it will be coming into our mind and we can enjoy the class. So we are going to taking some example. Just wait for 1 minute. We are taking some example. Prove that sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to tan theta. We have to prove this. So from left hand side, we are starting that from LHS sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta
Theta into
cos
cos theta.
by 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now formula of cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now from the lower half, this sin square theta, sin square theta. Here it is cos square theta plus cos square theta. 2 cos
हम तो बता देखो प्लेन
Someone please.
हमारे तो इसको बोल देंगे ना फोन बता शांत
म्यूट करने बोली सर उसको।
हम खुद कर देते हैं. Who is there? He is muted himself. So here sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta. Now cos 2 theta by, prove that cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta. We have to prove this. Cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Now we are starting from the left hand side. Cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta means cos square theta minus sin square theta by 1 means we can write down that cos square theta plus sin square theta plus sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. So from upper half it is a square minus b square, so it can be written as cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. Can you write this in the upper half?
Yes, sir.
For the lower half, it is, if we say that cos theta equal to a, then it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, so a plus b whole square. That means it can be written as cos theta plus sin theta whole square. So this one and this one cut, only cos theta plus sin theta will be remaining. Cos theta plus sin theta. So here it is only given that cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Now divide taking common cos theta from the numerator. Cos theta. There it is 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Again, if we take common cos theta from the denominator, then it will be coming 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta cut. So 1 minus sin theta by cos theta means tan theta by 1 plus sin theta by cos theta means tan theta, right? So this
Yes,
1
sir.
tan pi by 4 means tan of pi by, that means tan 45 degree, that is the value as 1. So instead of this one, we can write down tan pi by 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir. We can.
minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta means tan theta को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 1 into tan theta and that 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then look at the structure of this tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. कौन सा फॉर्मूला है? tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. That means tan of A minus B, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means tan of A means pi by 4 minus B means theta, which was our required right hand side, na? It was our required, na? Required proof.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me if someone has some doubt here, then they can ask me the question. I think no doubt here. We are going for the next part. To that, one plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2. So we are going from the left hand side. One plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. Now look at here, in the right hand side it is given that theta by 2 form. So we have to go for the formula for sub multiple angle, na? As in the right hand side it is from theta to theta by 2. So we have to go for the sub multiple angle formula. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are dividing all those things into the sub multiple formula, sub multiple angle. So one can be written as cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. Instead of 1 we can write down this plus for from sub multiple angle sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 minus cos theta means in sub multiple angle cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. As right hand side is coming into the fraction of theta, so we are going for the sub multiple angle. Again in the lower half, one can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta, that means theta by 2 plus sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 plus cos theta can be written as cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Then it will be coming upper half, it is cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 minus cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. In the lower half, this minus sin square theta, this plus sin square theta cut. So it will be remaining only cos square theta plus cos square theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now in the upper half, this minus cos square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 cut. So upper half it will be given that sin square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2, that is 2 sin square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now if we take common 2 sin theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2 into the numerator, then it will be coming sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Now if we take common from the denominator 2 cos theta by 2, then it will be coming that cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2, theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2. Which was our required right hand side. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this kind of the identity can be given in your semester exam, so that you have to prove this, right? So your given identity always indicate you what to do. Look at here, why we are going for the submultiple angle, because of that here left hand side is the multiple but right hand side is the fraction of that. So we have to go to the submultiple angle. So we are using the formula for submultiple angle. Clear? So your task will be very easy when you look at the given problem very carefully. There must be some indication what you have to do. Now take another example. Prove that root 2 plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 1 plus root 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta, which is equal to 2 cos theta. Yes. We have to prove this. Root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta is equal to 2 cos theta. So we are coming from the left hand side. Left hand side is given as root 2 plus root 2 plus, if we take common 2 from here, then it will be coming 1 plus cos 8 theta. So from here you can write down that 2 plus root 2 plus 2 into, if you take the second bracket, 1 plus cos 8 theta can be written cos 2 into 4 theta. Cos 8 theta can be written as this. So here it is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Na? What is the
Yes,
formula for this? 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. As from the formula, cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos theta का ये फॉर्मूला था ना, cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta means cos 1 plus cos 2 theta. So we are using this formula here. Two is here. If it is 4 theta, 1 plus cos 2 into 4 theta. That means 2 cos square theta. That is 2 cos square 4 theta. Can you write this? As 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Isn't it?
yes, sir. We can write.
You can write this. Then it can be written as 2 plus 2 plus here it will be 4 cos square 4 theta. So after square root it will be coming 2 cos 4 theta. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Root 2 plus root over. Again we take common 2 from here. Then it is 1 plus cos of 4 theta. That can be written 2 into 2 theta. Again it is 1 plus cos 2 theta. That means 2 cos square theta. Two plus root 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta is equal to root 2 plus it is 4 cos square 2 theta. That means it will be coming 2 cos 2 theta. 4 cos square 2 theta. That means after square root it will be coming 2 cos 2 theta.
Yes, sir.
Then again if we take common 2 from here, then again it will be coming 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta. So 2 into 2 cos square theta. That means root over 4 cos square theta is equal to 2 cos theta, which was our required right hand side. Is it clear? आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are going for the next problem. Just wait for 1 minute. Take some example. Prove that cos of 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x whole square. We have to prove this. Cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x whole square x. So we are starting from the left hand side. Cos 4x, that can be written as cos of 2 into 2x, then cos 2 theta. Look at here 1 minus something, that is 1 minus something. What is the formula for this? Cos 2 theta. There is a formula for cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, na?
Yes, sir.
So we are using 1 minus as in your given proof. Right hand side is 1 minus something. So we are using the cos 2 theta formula 1 minus something. There were 4 formula of cos 2 theta. So we are using 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square 2x. Then it is 1 minus 2 is kept here, and it can be written that sin 2x, that whole square, sin square 2x means 1 minus 2. Now what is the value of sin 2 theta? 2
2 sin
sin
theta.
theta cos theta whole square. 1 minus 2 into it will be given that 4 sin square x cos square x, that is 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x, which is our required right hand side. That's our proof. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So I always told you that your proof or any kind of the identity, it will give you the indication what you should have to use. Here we are using the cos 2 theta formula as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Because of that, in the right hand side, which we have to prove, it is given as 1 minus something. So that's why we are using out of the 4 formula of cos 2 theta, this 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Clear? तुमको जो प्रूफ दिया जाएगा उसमें लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड साइड को ठीक से देखो. अगर you find it very carefully, it will be given some indication to you that where you are and where you have to go. Then you have to find out the formula which is appropriate for this. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we are going for next problem. ट्राइगोनोमेट्री में जितना सारे प्रॉब्लम तुम लोग कर पाओगे, जितना वैरायटी, उतना ही अच्छा है. ठीक है? तुम लोगों के पास बुक वगैरह है तो
यस
तो उससे जितना हो सके प्रैक्टिस करो. प्रैक्टिस उतना ही करो जितना हो सके. विदाउट एनी प्रैक्टिस इट विल बी नॉट डन.
अटेंडेंस हो गया सर।
अटेंडेंस क्या होगा? वो तो ये जो है ले लिया तुम लोग को।
हो गया सर अटेंडेंस।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, स्क्रीनशॉट तो तुम लोग का अटेंडेंस स्क्रीनशॉट से ही बनता है ना?
यस सर।
यस सर। यस सर।
ओके, now take another example. If sin A is equal to given sin equal to 3 by 5, sin A equal to 3 by 5, where the range of A also given here, where 0 degree less than A less than 90 degree. Find the values of sin 2A, sin 4A, cos 2A, and tan 2A. Right? They are only given the value for sin A. We have to find out where A is acute angle, na? As the A lies between 0 to 1, so it is the positive. It is lies in the first quadrant, and as well as it is acute angle. So the value of the theta is sin A is given here. So we are going to solve this. Sin A is given, so obviously we can got the sin A equal to 3 by 5. So we can find the value of cos A. Cos A equal to root over 1 minus sin square A. That is root over 1 minus 9 by 25 is equal to 4 by 5. So tan A equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 4. So 3 by 4 is the value of tan A. Now we are going to find out the value of this sin 2A. Now sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A is equal to 2 sin A means 3 by 5 into cos A means 4 by 5. So in the upper half, 2 into 4 into 3 by 25. That is 24 by 25. Now for sin 4A. Sin 4A, we can write down that 2 sin 2A into cos 2A is the equation number 1. As the value of sin 2A is this, so value of cos 2A can be written root over 1 minus 24 by 25 whole square is equal to root over it will be given 25 plus 24 into 25 minus 24. So upper half equal to 49. Na? 25 plus 24, 49. Here 1. 49 means 7 by 25. Na? This is the value of cos 2a. So putting the value of cos 2a and sin 2a here. Value of sin 2a was 24 by 25. And value of cos 2a is coming 5 by 25. So it is 48 into 7 by 625. Right? Now we have to find out that cos 2a. Cos 2a. Cos 2a means two cos square a minus 1. So 2 cos square a means cos a means 4 by 5 square minus 1. So 32 by 25 minus 1. That is 7 by 25. And tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. That is 2 into value of this equal to 3 by 4 by 1 minus tan square a means 9 by 16. Then it is coming that 3 by 2 whole thing by 16, 7. 3 by 2 into 16 by 7. 24 by 7. आया समझ में?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
तो
Tan
ऐसा
2a को sin 2a by cos 2a लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ वो भी लिख सकते थे. हाँ हाँ वो जल्दी हो जाता. राइट. साइन 2a तो निकल गया था. हाँ साइन 2a बाई cos 2a बहुत जल्दी निकल जाता था. सेम ही आता था ना 24 बाई 7.
हाँ तो उससे थोड़ा इजी होता.
हाँ बहुत इजी हो जाता. हम यही है मैथ का मेन थिंग. इफ आई ऑब्जर्व वेरी केयरफुली then it will be coming very easily. If we not observe carefully, then we have to make some calculation extra. ठीक है? Okay, so today's class is end. तुम लोग का सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का क्लास कब शुरू होगा?
शायद मंडे सर.
मंडे ना? 15 ना 16 17 से. Okay. Okay, so thank you to all of you.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.